In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Google Merchant Center. This is a full 2025 guide that will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you get it right the first time. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing a large online store, knowing how to set the right currency is essential, as it helps your customers view prices in a way that's familiar and convenient for them. To get started, the first step is to log into your Google Merchant Center account. If you're not yet signed in, head over to the Google Merchant Center website and enter your credentials. A successful login will take you to your account's main dashboard. Here, you can manage your product listings, check your performance reports, and adjust various settings for your shop. Once you're logged in, navigate to the products section, and from there click on all products. This is where you'll manage all your existing products. But for our current task, we're going to focus on adding a product, so go ahead and select Add Products. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to ensure accuracy at each step. Now, when you're presented with the options to add products, you'll want to select Add Products one by one. This choice offers the most control and precision, allowing you to specify exact details for each product, including our main focus for today, the currency. After selecting to add products individually, you'll then need to choose your target country. Depending on where you plan to market your goods, this step will dictate the currency option available to you. For example, if you're targeting the United States, the currency will default to USD, or if you're aiming at the UK, it will be GBP. This decision should align with where most of your sales are expected to come from. Following the country selection, scroll down to the section labeled Price, Condition and Availability. Here, you'll input the price for your product in the currency you've chosen, as well as specify the product's condition and its availability status. It's important to double check these details to ensure they match your current offers. Under the pricing details, there is a drop-down menu specifically for currency selection. Click on the drop-down arrow and you'll find a list of available currencies corresponding to your selected country. Choose your preferred currency from this list. This step is vital since it reflects how prices will appear to your customers. Finally, once you've completed all the sections and are satisfied with your entries, click on the Save button. This will save your changes and update your product listing to reflect the correct currency, ensuring a seamless shopping experience for your customers. By following these steps, you now know how to change the currency settings in Google Merchant Center, optimizing your product listings for an international audience.